Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get deleted Excel sheets back. The very first thing to do after accidentally deleting a sheet is to use the undo function. Simply press Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on a Mac. This can reverse up to 100 recent actions. If you save the file, check your computer's recycle bin or trash for the workbook. Also, open the original workbook and look for any previous versions. Excel's Auto Recover feature is a lifesaver for unsaved changes. By default, it saves your work every 10 minutes, creating temporary backup files. To find these, go to the File tab, then click on Info and select Manage Workbook. From there, you can recover unsaved workbooks. This is especially helpful if Excel closed unexpectedly before you could save your latest edits. If you've saved your file, your operating system might have previous versions available. On Windows, right-click the Excel file in File Explorer, then choose Restore Previous Versions. This option relies on system protection or file history being active. You can then browse through different saved versions of your workbook and select the one you need to restore, potentially bringing back your deleted sheet. For additional recovery options, check your cloud storage services such as OneDrive or Dropbox. They often keep multiple synchronized versions of your files. If all else fails, specialized third-party data recovery software might be able to retrieve deeply deleted files from your hard drive. Most importantly, cultivate a habit of saving your work very frequently, perhaps every 5 minutes, to minimize any future data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.